Rise and shine, superheroes. Your world needs you. We're here on day 12 of Earl Nightingale's 2 Steps to Create a Miracle in Your Life. Here on day 12, I'm going to tell you that there have been some big steps, big changes, and some really big notable progress in my chase for my goal. If you're not seeing those things just yet, I'm going to tell you that it's working. Whether or not you feel it just yet, below the surface, it is working. You're reading your goal, you're having that goal flash on the screen of your mind, and you're getting into the mindset of the person who can accomplish what you have set out to accomplish. When you combine that with working harder than you've ever worked before, you are going to be unstoppable. I hope that by now you have been seeing that measurable, notable progress towards your goal with some big, explosive step changes beyond where you would have otherwise gotten in your chase for your goal. It's working for me. I believe it's working for you. I hope that you can see that notable changes, but if not, trust in the process and keep going with it. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you, and we'll see you tomorrow.